because right underneath that's the gearbox and you can't see anything. So right next to each wheel here in the back, right behind here, there's a screw on each side. See how complicated they made this. No, that didn't do me any good at all. That did nothing. This is definitely two pieces. It's a top and a bottom. Ah, there's screws. I found them. They're buried in there. Right up in there. There's a screw there. There's probably one there. Probably some on the back side too. They don't make them easy to see. You have to know they're there. You really have to see them from underneath the mower. Now, where's the rest of them at? Oh, yeah, there's another one there. Right down here on the other side of the axle. What the heck? That one you can't get to. Oh, it's on the front side. Right in there. Should be somewhere around here. There it is, towards the outside. Ooh, we're getting there. Starting to move. Why is this side loose and the other side's not? I took 4 screws out altogether. Why is that side not moving? I bet they put more over there. I bet there's another one over there somewhere that's not on this side. I bet you. Got that one, got that one. There's not one there. Of course, all these holes are full of grass. So you really can't see if there's one in there till you clean it out. Where else could they put one? Right there. Put one right there. Yep, there's one right in the center, right in line with the spark plug. There might be one right behind it too. I wouldn't be surprised if there's one behind it. A little bit to the rear. Now, there's another one somewhere. Somewhere back here. Somewhere in there it feels like there's one yet. I don't see one, but it sure feels like it. Oh, maybe it just clips in there. Maybe. Oh, what a mess. Why is that not coming loose? That one's coming off. Why is that one not? There's got to be another screw in here someplace. I got those two. Why is that not pulling off? Maybe that's why it was. The adjuster was holding it. That's the problem. The adjuster was holding it from coming off. Boy, it sure seems like there's one more screw. Sure seems like there's one right to the rear. Like that one and that one. So there's one right there and one right there. Now it should come off. Get that adjuster out of the way. There we go. Now we finally, after all them screws, finally got it off.